Hello, Emily. My name is Ronnie, and I am getting back to you regarding the project about creating dynamic avatar for golfer swing using Blender and Python. So I was looking at the example video that you showed on YouTube, and I have already gone through it several times, and I've already started working on it and created my own test data here. And I've also included a zip file of some test projects that I have worked on. So I'm ready to actually work on this and emulate the stats for you on this project. Please let me know if you have any questions. And here's the code that I'm working on. And here's the presentation from the person. And here's the GitHub code that I just found. So this is the project. Please let me know. And hopefully we get to work together. Thank you.